Hello, and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to make a treat stand or cake stand with some Dollar Tree items. So I have this margarita glass, and I have this candlestick holder. I have two plates, clear plates. I have the small one and the large one. I also have these, what is this called? Acrylic gems. These came from the Dollar Tree. I have these adhesive gem strips. These actually came from Hobby Lobby. And I have, this is my glue. This is clear Gorilla Glue. So I'm going to use this one. This one does work on glass. And I have some alcohol and paper towel, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, let me wipe my plates off a little. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bling the rim of the plates, just the outside. So I'm going to use these. Again, these came from Hobby Lobby. These are the Paper Studios brand. I'm not sure if this is on sale this week. I've had these for a little while now. So I'm just gonna put strips all the way around. So that's how I'm going to do that. So once I have both my plates blinged out like this, I will be back. Alright, so this is what it looks like so far. The outsides are blinged out. So then I'm going to clean this, right, my margarita glass. I'm going to put some gems down in here. Well, I'm going to put these down in here like this. I'm going to add some more from this other pack. Alright, so that's how that's going to go. So let me clean the bottom of my plate really good. And I'm going to put the glue around the rim of my margarita glass. And then I'm going to place this in here, like so. And I'm going to put that to the side to let it dry. Wow. Okay. So then I'm going to place this one on top of here. So I'm going to clean this, the top of this. I'm going to clean the bottom of my plates. Right. And then I'm going to take my glue and go around the rim of my candle holder. So, and then I'm going to place that plate. I'm going to place it right there. Center it as best as I can. And then I'm going to let this dry. So, I'm going to let it dry for probably like 2 hours. And then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to attach this to this. So I'm going to let it dry and then I'll be back. All right, so I have the larger plate on here, and I have the smaller plate on here. I think I want to add some bling around the bottom of this. You know, sometimes we always want to bling stuff. I know I do anyway. And then I'll be like, you know, sometimes less is more. I mean, less is better. That's what I meant to say, less is better. But I think I'm going to add a little bling to the bottom of this. A little bling won't hurt nobody. I think I probably should add glue to this bling because I don't think it's going to like hold up pretty good or really well. So, if you guys like try to recreate this, I would definitely add glue to the bling. Because I'll probably go back in and add some. Okay, sorry about that. I dropped my phone. So, anyway. So, there is bling around the bottom. I think I am going to go back in and add some glue to all the bling. So, this is what it looks like. I don't know. I guess I should add bling to the bottom of this too, right? I should add bling on here since I added bling on the bottom of that one. So let's just put a little bling around here. Actually, you know what? I don't want nothing to interfere with me putting that on there. I'll put the bling on the bottom of that last. So then I'm just going to glue this in the middle right here. So I'm just going to put some glue around the bottom. So I don't know if you guys ever used this particular glue before, but it has the little thing on the sides that you squeeze for the glue to come out. You squeeze on the sides for the glue to come out. And I remember the first time I got this glue, I was like, why won't my glue come out? I think I bought like two tubes before I realized you squeeze it on the side. All right. So we have that there. So I'm gonna let this dry approximately 2 hours and then I'll be back. All right, so this is how it turned out. And I think it came out pretty good. Very simple. And you know, just clear and just a little bling around it. It makes it look a little more elegant. So, because I thought about adding like hanging gems and all that stuff. And I'm like, nah, I'm going to leave it like that. Very simple. So, until next time, y'all have a great one.